haul videos. If you guys are new to my channel, then please make sure you subscribe to make sure that you guys get all the updates about me posting my videos, so you can go and purchase the products that I am talking about the video as soon as I post the video. Also, I think the people who have been with me on this clothing haul journey from the beginning must have noticed that I had spoken about this top as well in one of my previous videos. So this is the top that I had purchased from Ajio, and I had also told that you can pair it up with sky blue jeans or high-waisted jeans, but what I have done here is I have just paired it up with this I don't know what these pants are called, but I mean you can just see it's got these sort of stripes and shit. But yeah, this makes this green shirt look really nice. I have also top knotted it over here to make it look a little fancy, and I just paired it up with basic accessories. So if you guys are new to my channel, then check out my previous videos, and I have spoken about this product in one of my videos as well, where I have also posted a link in the description box for this. So if you guys really like this, then you can go and purchase the product as well. Now I'm gonna get on with this video with this very first product, which is this traditional blouse. I'm gonna talk about the brand. The brand is Avasa, so I don't have to talk a lot about this. Everybody knows this brand, and everybody knows that they have really good products. The size is a size large, and the price given in the tag is rupees 699. But I got this only for a price of about 367 rupees. So you guys can see that I got it for half a price. This product is actually a very nice product. I mean, just look at the designing that they have given over here. It looks really, it looks very rich and very fancy. It's like ceremony material worthy, so you can wear it to all these family functions and even weddings and stuff. So this product has a side zip over here to make it easier for you guys to sort of wear it. It has these cloth buttons. These are golden, and they sort of color complement and color coordinate this blouse. The blouse is not exactly green in color as I would like to put it. It's a sort of sap, or it's a sort of sap green, I guess. So that is about this product. Now if you look at the sleeves are not 3/4, they're a little shorter than 3/4, but the sleeves have this sort of bordering that they have given. So it's a very small border, but yeah, they've given this sort of bordering. I'm going to lift it up so you guys can see what it looks like from the front. Now this is what this product looks like from the front, like at the back. So what you can do with this product is you can pair it up with a long skirt or even a palazzo and drape it with a dupatta, and it would make this product look very nice. So that is what you can do with this product. You can pair it up with a black long skirt, or even a red long skirt, or even a dark blue long skirt, and that would really complement this top. So that is about this first product. Now, the material about this product, Okay, the material of this product is cotton mixed with okay, sorry guys, it's cotton mixed with silk, so it's not pure cotton or something. And these designings, these motifs also have this sort of golden colored thing. So what I can say about this product is, if you wear it to family weddings or something, since they have a lot of lighting over there, this is just going to stand out all the more, because just look at these golden designings that they have given over here. It's very glittery, and it sort of reflects the light falling on them. I'm sitting here and I can see the light coming in from the window, and wherever it's just falling, it's sort of reflecting, and it makes the product look so pretty. So that is about this first product. Now I will be moving on to this second product, which is this long skirt. If you guys want more information about skirts or anything, and if you're new to my channel, then make sure you check out the previous video I have uploaded. I have spoken about a lot of skirts in that particular video, so you guys can go check them out. Now this product is from this brand called Sakura, and I got this product for a price of rupees 378, whereas the price here is if you can, it's very small printed, but it states a price of rupees 799. So yeah, I got it for a very less price. Now if you look at the top part of this skirt, it has this elastic band. So it's quite stretchable really, but it has an elastic at the front and at the back of the product. This is the back of the product, so it has an elastic at the front of the product as well. It also has this tying thing. Now if you look at the detailing that they have done on this product, it has this sort of prints and designs that they have given, which is outlined by this yellow color sort of design. It also has these little frills, so it's not just one single frill, it has a frill here as well as here, so it has 3 frills overall. But this skirt does not have a border. What you can do with this skirt is, I feel it is best when it is paired with a black crop top, or any crop top for that matter, any simple crop top, or a really long skirt that covers, you know, up to this part of the skirt. It's just going to make this product look very rich and fancy. Now these frills are also they are also have this sort of purple bordering, so if you guys are, you know, trying to, you know, combine this skirt with any product, I would recommend going with a top that is of a color yellow or purple or even peach in color, because those are the color combinations that you can go for. But you can also experiment with other combinations as well. The material of this product is cotton. It's quite thick actually, and the inside of this is what the inside of the product looks like. It does not have any additional clothing, any additional layer of clothing. It's just this one layer of clothing. This is what it looks like on the inside, and this is what it looks like here. It's cotton material and it's quite puffy, so when you wear it, it's not going to, you know, sit and stick to your body. It's sort of going to, you know, look a little branched out, and it's going to make it look very grand. So that is about this second product. Now I will be moving on to the third product. Okay, you guys, I had this clarification about this product, so I had to edit it out. But yeah, this product is called dhoti pant. I think most of you know what this is. I mean, everybody has seen this at one point in their life. Now the thing I like about this product is, I mean, just look at how grand it looks. Imagine you wear it with the, I mean, you pair it up with a crop top or something and a dupatta on one side of the shoulder. You can wear it anywhere practically. You can wear it on festivals, you can wear it on family weddings, family gatherings, family parties. It's not, you know, it's such a grand product. I mean, look at the designing that they have done. They've given these little glittery flowers, and yeah, this is not one solid color. It's a glittery design that they have given. The material is cotton. It's not pure cotton, it's mixed with something, but I don't know what, but it's not pure cotton. But yeah, this part of the product is quite puffy. I'm pretty sure most of you know what a dhoti pant is. It from, I think, up to your knees or something, it looks really puffy, and then from the bottom part onwards, it sort of, you know, narrows down like this, so it becomes thin from below your knees onwards. So I'm pretty sure a lot of you know what this is. You guys, this does not have any tying thing or anything. It just has an elastic. Sorry, this is the back of the product. This is the front of the product. So the front of the product does not have an elastic. So imagine you wear it with a crop top. You won't be able to see that, you know, elastic sort of thing in the front. So you can wear it with a crop top and it will still look really grand. Though it's quite a thick border here as well. Now the back part of it has an elastic and it's quite stretchy, as you can see. I'm stretching it out. So if you guys, you know, order a size, make sure you order the right size for you so it sits right. I'm gonna lift this up so you guys can see what it looks like. This is what this product looks like from the front. As you can see, the size of this product are really puffy, and then at the bottom it is really thin. Now I'm going to turn it around so you can see what it looks like at the back. This is what it looks like at the back of the product. The designing in the front and at the back of the product is more or less the same. There isn't, you know, any difference between the front of designing in the front of the product and the back of the product. But yeah, now the brand of this product is the it is the official Ajio brand. Now I purchased this product for a price of ₹409, but if you guys notice, the price over here stated is 1,300. Guys, I've been repeating this in a lot of my previous videos as well. Ajio offers a lot of discounts on their products. This is not a sponsored video, okay, but I'm just telling you, they offer a lot of discounts on their products. So if you're really interested in this patiala, in this dhoti pant, make sure you guys go right now and check out this product, because the price might vary from now to, if you suppose go tomorrow and you check it out, the price might, you know, vary a little. So if you guys are really interested in this, I suggest you go right now to get it at the best price. So you guys, when you wear this product from this part onwards, it's gonna sort of look like frills. So it's gonna sort of bunch, like it's gonna look really bunched up at the top, and when you go towards your feet, it's gonna look really narrow. As you can see over here, like if you can see over here, it's very thin. But if you see over here, it's got these sort of, you know, let me just show you. It's got these sort of frills, sort of a look and stuff. So that is about this dhoti pant. Oh yeah, the shade is sort of lavender purplish shade. It's not solid purple, it's a lavender purplish dhoti. Now the next one that I will be talking about is it's actually the same product itself, but it's just a different shade. It's from the same brand of Ajio. I purchased them together, so yeah, I got it at the same price of 409 rupees. The price stated in the tag is also the same. It's 1299 from the original brand of Ajio. It is the same. It's basically the same product as the previous one. The only difference is the change in the shade as well. So my mom wanted, you know, like a different shade of this dhoti pant as well. Like I told you guys, this is a really good purchase. So we just went for 2 shades. So it's the same thing. I don't think I have to repeat a lot of, you know, detailings about this product. It also has an elastic at the back, and at the front it has this really thick bordering. The pattern of this product is the same as the previous one. It's got these, you know, little golden flowers and golden patterns, and these are also shimmery. What you can do with this product is the same thing. You can pair it up with this crop top or a long kurti and wear a dupatta on one side. You can wear it to a lot of family weddings, festivals and gatherings. I'm still gonna lift up the product and show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like from the front. So I think in the previous about the previous product, I was trying to tell you guys about the frills that this pant creates. I think you can quite firmly see it now. So if you look at the sides of this pant, you can see the frills that it creates. So that is about this product. It's the same as the previous product. So I'm not going to talk a lot about this product. I'm going to move on to the next product now. The next product is this basic nightgown. You know, it's just your everyday nightgown. This is what it looks like. I don't know if there's a lot of things I can say about this except for the material. The material is really nice. So, you know, obviously people opt for nightgowns to, you know, get into their comfortable clothing and stuff. So I can say that this is quite comfortable, and it is, the material is also very soft, and it's not, you know, like rough or harsh on your skin or anything. There isn't a lot of, you know, designing or anything, obviously, because nightgowns are designed to make sure that you all are comfortable. So what this has, it has this sort of piping done over here, and the same piping is also there in the sleeves of the product. The sleeves aren't exactly you know, short sleeves or anything. It's like, you know, mid or whatever. It has this sort of baby pink lining over here on this part of the sleeve, as well as on the other part of the sleeve. As you can see, it has this piping. Doesn't have any unnecessary buttons and all. It's a, you know, your basic nightgown that you guys wear. It has this piping here as well. Now I got this from this brand called Hush. The price stated here is rupees 699, but I got this for a price of rupees 415. Guys, you know, I think this nightgown is really different from your basic nightgowns and all, just because the material is so soft. It's, you know, not a very heavy material as well. It's extremely light, so it's not going to be too harsh as well. The back of the nightgown also has the same design. It just has this one additional button that they have given over here. So I'm just going to lift it up so you can see what it looks like. Hold on. This is what this product looks like from the front. And this is what it looks like at the back. So it's a very basic nightgown, guys. You can only wear this at home, so don't pair it up with leggings and go out and all. You can only wear this product at home. Sorry, bad joke. I will be moving on to the next product. The next product is this top. Oh my god, look how pretty it is. Okay, I'm going to talk about the brand first. You guys, it's from the brand of Avasa. I'm repeating it again, but I don't have to talk a lot about this brand. A lot of you know this brand, and you guys know it is a reputed brand, and they sell really good products. Now, the price stated on the price tag is a price of rupees 899, but I got this for a price of rupees 550. just look at this product, you guys. It's not, you know, limited to wearing it with traditional clothing or something. You can wear it with your jeans, you can wear it with leggings, you can wear it with a skirt also, you can wear it with that dhoti pant that I showed in this video. You can wear it with anything. It's got such diversity. Look at the designing that they have done over here. They've sort of done this embroidery work on the outside, and they've added these chunkies in over here. This product does not have any buttons, unnecessary buttons and everything. It's, you know, designed for our, you know, benefit and comfort. Now, if you look at the sleeves of this product, it has this sort of border over here which has these golden color designs. The same pattern is there on the other side of the sleeves as well. These are 3/4 sleeves. Now this product does not have any additional bordering on the top over here. It's just one shade of I wouldn't say this is pink exactly, a sort of dark shade of pink is what I can call it. I'm gonna lift it up so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like at the front of the product, and this is what it looks like at the back. So as you guys are able to make out, it's just one single shade of color. There isn't any additional designing or anything at the back. Now what additional thing I would say you guys could do with this is, you know, if you'd want, you can add a button over here, because as you can see, this sort of, you know, splits that way. So if you'd like, you can add one sort of button over here and sort of give it that additional look. You can go for any shade of button, a cloth golden button of the same shade, or a pink colored button. You can do that as well. So that is what you can do. It does not have any collar, you guys. It just has this, it just sits on your shoulders that way. As you can see, it does not have any collar over here. So that is all I can say about the material. The material of the product is also very soft. It's a sort of flowy sort of material. So it's going to, you know, sit comfortably over your skin. It's not going to, you know, be harsh or rough or anything on your skin. So that is what I can say about the material of this product. Now this is the last product that I had for this particular clothes haul, but don't worry guys, I have already placed an order for additional clothing, and by the time I have to make the next video, I will have those clothings as well. So this was what I had for this particular video. If you are new to my video and you like it, please go ahead, like, share and subscribe my videos, and I'll also be posting a link of all these outfits in the description box, so make sure you check them out. Do check out the videos that I have already posted, because I have posted a couple of videos where I have spoken about various sorts of clothing, so you guys can go check them out as well. I have also posted their links in the description box, so make sure you guys go check them out. Like, share and subscribe to my videos, and that's it for this video.